Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to install fonts on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first is first, you can go to any web browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Web Browser. And then here you can search for free fonts if you want, like this, and then press enter. Then you will see this sites where you can install free fonts. So let's just say we will use the first site right here, or we will go to this first site, which is the font. Tap on this one. It will take you directly to the font download fonts. Now here in the font.com, you can search for that specific font that you want to install to your computer or to your Windows PC. So let's just say if you want this font right here, and if you don't have this font on your PC or Windows, you can tap on the download button, and then you will see this one right here. It's on zip file, so we need to extract this file. Tap on the folder. Now you need to extract files. Tap on OK, and you should see this folder right here where you can now download the font. So what you're going to do is you can just basically copy the folder and then paste it on your desktop. So I'm going to copy it right here, paste, and then you can now double click. So basically you can tap right click and then tap on install. As you can see, it is now starting to install, and then once done, it is now installed to your Windows. The other way is that you can go to your settings or go to your search menu, and then you have to look for add fonts or font. Tap on font setting, scroll down here, okay, and then here this is where you're going to drag and drop to install a font. So basically just go to your folder, minimize this, and then drag this here. The past font is already installed, so do you want to replace it? Because I have installed it earlier. Okay, and as you can see, it's now installed, and then if you search for that, here it is. Okay, so basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.